Hello everyone, welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is a Santosh. So previously we done a video related to rational numbers. Now part 2, the rational numbers decimal representation. After watching, share to your near and dear friends. Okay, now the video starts. So rational numbers part 2, decimal representation. So we know that every rational number can be expressed in the form of p by q and in their decimal representation. So terminating decimals representation, terminating decimals, nothing but rational numbers are of two types: terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, so many of the students will get confused with the non-terminating repeating decimals. They are also of rational numbers. So decimal representation part 2, pure recurring decimals. If all the digits after the decimal point repeat in a decimal, it is called a pure recurring decimal. Okay, so after the point immediately repeat, nothing but recur, the other name, the word recur. So if all the digits after the decimal point repeat in a decimal, then it is called a pure recurring or repeating decimal. So let us go through the examples of pure repeating decimals. So now here, if you consider the examples 1 and 2, nothing but 0.7 bar is equal to 0.777, so on. 0.621 is equal to 0.621 bar. 29.878787, so on, is equal to 29.87 bar. So first two examples, 7 is repeating. In the second example, 621 is repeating. In the third example, 87 is repeating. So after the point, immediately the digits are repeating. That's why they are known as pure recurring decimal. So if you observe that carefully, the first one, the period of 0.7 bar is equal to 7. The periodicity of 0.7 bar is 1. Nothing but the digit or the digits which are repeating is called period. Here only 7 is repeating, and since only one digit and one number is repeating, it is a periodicity. So nothing but 1. Let us go through mixed recurring decimals. If some of the digits immediately after the decimal point do not recur, but other digits following them recur, then it is called mixed recurring decimal. So recur, nothing but repeating, don't get confused. So in the previous case, after the decimal immediately repeats. Here after the decimal immediately do not repeats. So 3.254 bar. So 3.254